Welcome to Teo's Take. Today I'm unboxing the Tascam DR-05X stereo handheld digital audio recorder. This highly rated recorder with over 2,300 positive reviews on Amazon is an upgraded version of the popular Tascam DR-05. Let's jump in and check out what's in the box, and then we'll take a closer look at what makes the DR-05X stand out. Alright, let's go ahead and open this Tascam DR-05X recorder. The usual paperwork. Looks like in several different languages, including Japanese. All right. I like the packaging. Almost looks like an origami art type of thing. Here's the recorder. Feels very light. It's almost as light as a little pocket radio, and it comes with two AA batteries. Very nice, easy to use, simple, and this is it. Tascam DR-05X recorder. As you see in the unboxing, not much comes out of the box. A couple of AA batteries and the recorder itself. Let's go ahead and check out what this recorder is all about. On top of it, you'll find two high-quality dual condenser microphones, making this a true stereo handheld recorder. In the middle, in between microphones, there's a microphone line-in input port. On the right side, there's a micro USB port for easy file transfers to your computer, along with a micro SD card slot supporting cards up to 128 gigabytes. And also, this device records in WAV format, WAV format, as well as various MP3 bit rates. On the bottom, there's a slide-out battery door and a 1/4 inch mounting screw port for tripods, microphone arms, and etc. This device runs just two AA batteries, while alkaline batteries work great. And here's a pro tip for you. Using a rechargeable lithium-ion batteries will provide you longer recording times. You can even connect a power bank to this device via micro USB for extended recording sessions. On the left side, there's a hold switch. It's like a slider switch. This prevents the accidental button presses while recording. There's also headphone line out jack for audio monitoring. At the base, there are two small holes for wristlet or wrist strap. This provides an additional portability and safety while you're holding it. On the front, there's a bright backlit 1.8 inch diagonally screen. Below it, you'll find the power button, as well as this functions as a home button. And next to it, there's a generous size record button. Beneath these two buttons, there's a circular 4-way control dial for various functions like menu, navigations, play, rewind, forward, and volume adjustment. Currently, this device priced on Amazon just $79.99 and is sold directly from Tascam USA. I think the DR-05X is a tried and true device that still holds up as an excellent choice in 2024. With its high quality recording capabilities, user-friendly layout, and versatility, I think it's hard to beat at this price point. If you're interested in the Tascam DR-05X, I included a link in the description below. And if you have any comments or tips, feel free to drop them. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching Teo's Take.